Good morning, children. Welcome to Nath Home Connect. Today we are going to learn Class 6 Mathematics, Numbers, Place Values. Place Values. Day 14. So, Indian system చూసుకున్నాం. Now, International Place Value System. International Place Value System. It has 3 periods. In International Place Value System, it has 3 periods. What is that? Ones, thousands, millions. Ones, O-N-E-S, ones, thousands, millions. International Place Value System chart. Let us see the chart. International Place Value System chart. So here is the chart. So here one in ones period, ones place, tens place, hundred place, ones place, tens place, hundred place in ones period under. Next, thousands place, 10,000s place, 100,000s place. It can be called as thousands period. And then millions place, 10 millions place, 100 millions place. So వీటిని millions period అంటాం. ఓకేనా? సో international place value system లో so these are the place values. Okay? International place value system placing commas. So step 1 is we place commas from left side. So either in international or Indian system, ఏ సిస్టమ్ అయినా మనం కామాస్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. సో ప్లేస్ కామాస్ ఆఫ్టర్ 3 digits. ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ 3 digits we have to keep comma for international system. So international place value system. So let us see the notation here. So once. So once it can be write as O అని రాస్తే సరిపోతుంది ones place. That is 1. So there is no zeros in ones place. And then tens. It can be write as T, that is 10. So here for in tens place there is 1 0. And then hundreds. It can be write as H, that is 100, 100. It has 2 zeros. And then thousands place we can write as TH, that is 1000. That is we have in this thousand we have 3 zeros. And then 10,000s place it can be write as 10 as T and 1000 as TTH. Okay, 10,000 as TTH, that is 10000. So that is 4 zeros we have in 10,000. And then 100,000 is HTH. So 100 we can write as H and 1000 as TH, that is HTH. Okay, that is 100,000. In this 100,000 it is 5 zeros. And then millions can be write as M. So in 1 million, that is in 1 million we have 6 zeros. And then 10 millions, 10 can be written as T and millions can be written as M, that is TM. 10 millions can be write as TM. So 10 millions, it has 7 zeros. Okay, next 100 millions. 100 millions it can be write as 100 as H and millions as M, that is HM. Okay, 100 millions. We have 8 zeros in that. Is it clear? International place value system. Okay na? So write the number name in international place value system and put commas. Here number is there 876421552. So let us see solution. So step 1 is write place value chart of international place value system. Akkada international place value system lo rayamannaru ganuka we have to write the place values in international place value system. First write the place values. So ones in ones place 2 and in tens place 5. 5 is in tens place and 5 is in hundreds place. 1 is in thousands place. 2 is in 10,000s place, 4 is in 100,000 place and 6 is in millions place and 7 is in 10 millions place and then 8 is in 100 millions place. So meeku place values telusu kada, so write that. Okay, so here number is, so మనం ప్లేస్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ప్లేస్ వాల్యూ సిస్టమ్ లో కామాస్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలని చెప్పాం కదా. ఎన్ని డిజిట్స్ తర్వాత కామాస్ పెట్టాలి? ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ 3 digits. ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ 3 digits we have to put comma. So here is the comma for every 3 digits. Is it clear here? The number is 876,421,552. Okay, so it can be write as 876,421,552. Is it clear? So here try yourself. Some sums are given here. You have to try these sums in international place value system. International place value system lo place values వేసుకుని నీట్గా కామాస్ పెట్టుకుని నీట్గా నెంబర్ నేమ్ రాయాలి. ఓకేనా? సో ప్రాక్టీస్ దీస్ సమ్స్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్ ఫర్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ప్లేస్ వాల్యూ సిస్టమ్. హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే చిల్డ్రన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.